previous session, we have implemented the Eureka Service Registry. Now, in this session, we shall enhance our retail bank application and we shall register the retail bank application in the service registry. For that, we need to add one dependency, and this is Spring Cloud Starter Netflix Eureka client. Now, since it is from Spring Framework.cloud, so we need to add the Spring Cloud Dependency Management. So let's add that one also. We can copy it from our Eureka server application and paste it there. So let's quickly copy it from there. Let's paste it here. And also we need to add the Spring Cloud version. It is 2021.0.0. Let's copy this and paste it here. So that's it. This is the dependency we need to add. And in the main class, we need to add an annotation, enable discovery client. Now in application.yml, we need to add properties so that retail bank application, that is our client application, knows where the Eureka server is. Basically the Eureka server URL where it needs to register itself. So let's quickly add this one, Eureka client service URL and default zone. We define it, and this will be the URL of our Eureka server application that we have implemented in our previous session. Let's check the port number. Yes, it is correct. And /Eureka. That's it. Now our application can register itself in the Eureka server. So let's quickly recap what we did. We have added Netflix Eureka client dependency, and since it is coming from Spring Framework.cloud, we have added Spring Cloud Dependency Management here, and obviously the Spring Cloud version we need to add. And then in the main class, we have added enable discovery client annotation, and application.yml, we have added Eureka client service URL default zone, that is, and we have provided our Eureka server URL here so that client application knows where it needs to go and register itself. Now let's quickly build our application. Build is success. And then we run our application. So our application started, and you can see this one, discovery client retail bank account service registration status 204. And if you refresh it, and you can see our retail bank account service application is registered here, and this is the port number and URL. And the application name which is registered in the service registry is same as the application name that we have provided in application.yml. Ignore this error or warning. This is because we are running the single instance of Eureka server. So that's it. Our application has been registered successfully, and we can see the URL also. In the next session, we shall implement our API gateway and integrate API gateway with our application. So thank you, and see you in the next sessions. Thank you.